shop right now getting a new radio, getting the trunk fixed, getting a new thermostat, and getting a camera shoved down a cylinder so I can see if I need a new engine. So in the meantime, I get to play with this 2016 Jeep Renegade Sport. Styling, I kind of dig it. Looks like a little gas can. It even has little X's on the brake lights, just like the old gas cans on the old Jeep Wranglers. This has the 2.4 liter multi-air Tiger Shark engine, same engine as my Dart. This has the 9-speed ZF transmission, automatic. Roomy interior. Definitely fit a tall person. Very comfortable seats. Folding seats. Lots of space. Sounds cool. Doesn't have that tuned exhaust like my Dart GT does, but it still, that engine's a pretty cool sounding engine. Up and goes. Definitely easy to brake traction with these front-wheel drive models. I don't know about the all-wheel drive, but this isn't that, so I don't know. But it's fun to drive though.